Okay, let's carry on. So last week I already started this a bit with you. So today we're gonna carry on our discussion now. Okay, we're gonna finish this up. Okay, we akan habiskan ni. Okay, what is going on is that, okay, last week saya sudah beritahu kamu terhadap idea yang dinamakan sebagai EMF. Okay, let me just write again for you. Idea untuk EMF. What is a EMF? Basically, it's a voltage. Dia merupakan sejenis voltage ataupun voltan. It's a kind of voltage. Okay. Wait. Wait. What's this lah? Next time, please come in earlier. Please come in earlier. Okay. So EMF merupakan satu voltan, satu sukatan untuk voltan. Tapi as I told you before, voltan ini dia agak berbeza. Dia adalah voltan yang digunakan especially only used by who? Only used by the battery. Okay, only used by the battery. Okay, mengapa used by the battery? As I told you last week, no need to copy. Look at it. I'm going to finish this up with you. Okay, look at it. So apa yang berlaku is, the Qian Yu still here. They log in, log out. The Qian Yu, Qianyu. Siapa kenal dia? Tolong beritahu dia sikit. I'm not going to let her in now. Or maybe it's a him. I don't know it's a her or him. Okay, I think it's a girl name. Okay, so please beritahu dia. Kalau dia tak tulis ID, I'm not going to let her in. Okay, come back to this. So apa yang berlaku is ada, as I told you before, dalam satu battery. So apa yang berlaku dia? Dalam satu battery, as I told you, no need to copy ya. This is what we did last week. Why so the Microsoft boleh mempersquarekan for me today? Okay, so apa yang berlaku is, as I told you before, dalam battery sememangnya ada elektron. Okay, come back to this. So dia ada elektron. Okay, so apa berlaku pada elektron? Elektron adalah berkumpul di negative terminal. So apa berlaku is when there's a connection of the wire, as I told you, just connect, no need to copy just like that. So apa yang berlaku is the electron actually will coming out from the wire to go to positive terminal. Ini akan menghasilkan satu voltan di luar, external voltage. Okay, tapi pada masa yang sama, the electron also will go inside, menghasilkan satu internal voltage, voltan dalam dan voltan luar. So idea utama EMF is, as I told you, that EMF is basically is whatever flow outside plus with, let me just move this at the middle, whatever flow inside. Itu adalah idea utama untuk EMF. Okay? Understand or not? But I want you to understand this carefully, class. When you look at this diagram, apabila kamu cuba lihat gambar rajah ini, between the outside and the inside, which is more important for us? Sebagai seorang pengguna lah, saya menggunakan elektrik, saya nak gunakan bateri, betul tak? So sebagai seorang pengguna bateri lah, antara outside and inside, mana satu lebih penting? Which is more important? You think carefully. Which one is the one we are using? Apa yang kita guna? What we are using is the external, right? Because this is the one outside, you know. You might understand. Someone answer here is inside. Sorry, no, it's outside. Outside is more important. Mengapa more important? Because we are using it. Kita yang gunakan dia. Means that when you use the battery, when you bought a battery, apa sebab you nak beli battery? Supaya kamu nak menyalakan light bulb, betul tak? So untuk menyalakan light bulb, kamu menggunakan voltan luar, bukan voltan dalam. So bermakna sebagai seorang pengguna bagi kita, yang penting adalah luar, bukan yang dalam. Understand tak? Berapa yang di luar? But the problem here is, no manufacturer in the world would tell you the external. They would not tell you one. Because if they tell you that, you won't buy the battery. You tak akan belinya. If there's someone telling, oh, this is my battery, saya jual, why? Oh, so good now. Okay. Now the Microsoft so nice. Can square for me. Okay. Katakan beli battery. Atas dia tulis apa tau? EMF. Okay. EMF untuk battery. Okay. Adalah sama dengan 1.5. Tapi dia external sama dengan berapa? 0.1. Katakan, if the battery labeled that way, ladies and gentlemen, will you buy? You believe that? For sure you won't buy, right? For sure you won't buy this kind of battery. Am I right? So that's why, sebagai seorang pengguna, kita sangat memerlukan sebagai adil lah, as a fair game for us, sebagai seorang pengguna. I need to know what is this value, right? I need to know, right? Correct or not? Saya kena tahu apakah nilai dia. So that's why today what we're going to learn is how we can measure that. Bagaimana kita boleh ukurkan dia. Look at this, copy later. Okay, how we going to do that? So kalau kamu nak ukurkan dia, you kena sediakan satu dawai ataupun sediakan satu lita. That means imagine that one day you want to buy a battery di pasar malam. Katakan you want to buy a battery from pasar malam. You need to prepare this circuit to test the battery first. You tell the seller, bang, boleh saya test battery dulu tak? Saya nak tengok, okay? Saya nak tengok. Understand or not? How to test is like this. Okay, look at the board, look at the board, copy later. First of all, of course, you need a battery lah. So what are you going to do with a battery? So this battery must connect with something that you need to use. Katakan satu perintah, satu resistor R lah. Okay. Pada masa yang sama, what happen is, this one you have to connect with a voltmeter. Connect with the voltmeter with the battery. Parallel to the battery. So lari dengan battery. Lepas tu, you have to connect a switch over here. Just like that. You need to connect with a switch. That's the circuit about. You just need that. Copy later, copy later. So apa penting dalam lita ini adalah memberikan satu maklumat sangat penting terhadap switch itu. The switch is extremely important. Extremely important. How the switch going to work is like this. Okay, look at it now. Look at it. Okay, when the switch, when the switch is off. Okay, when the switch is off. Okay, this is very important. Apabila switch itu is off. So what happened? Walaupun dia switch itu adalah off, tetapi kita dapati, we still can find some reading at the voltmeter. Bacaan voltmeter masih wujud. They still got reading one. So at that moment, the voltmeter reading, okay, the voltmeter reading, okay, bacaan voltmeter pada ketika itu adalah dianggap sebagai satu EMF. It's considered as a EMF. You know what I'm trying to say or not? That means that at that moment, when you connect like that, you touch with the battery show. So kipas siapa tu quite loud, Is it? Is it because of me? Because not kipas, I have a blower beside me. Maybe it's because of blower. Is it louder now? Someone say it's very loud. Is it louder now? I think it's even more louder. Like that. Is it better? Someone complain. Ada suara kipas. Now is it better? Oh, it's better. Oh, because the blower is beside me. Okay, then so far so many questions already. Wait, let me check. Okay, sound better. Teacher, some book written switch is closed. No. Close is on. Later, belum lagi. Sabar ke? This girl or boy? I think it's a girl. Leading girl. Sabar. This is two process here. Ada dua step. There are two steps in the circuit. First step, you off the switch. The reading is an EMF one. Okay, not yet. Belum habis lagi. Look at this. I show you here. Another step you have to do is same circuit. Lita yang sama juga. Okay, lita yang sama juga. Same thing. Okay, voltmeter also. Same thing. You're going to connect with the battery. Same thing. Okay, same thing. You have to connect with the resistor. Everything works the same. The only difference here, class, is this switch now is considered on. You turn on the switch. Okay, see so this is switch. Okay, I use a blue pen. Oops, sorry. Okay, the switch is on now. Okay, remember, switch off and switch on. Okay, in some of the book, they will write on means actually mean closed. On means they use the word switch is closed. Okay, this one, the switch off is switch is open. Okay, switch is open, buka. But I not really encourage you to use the word close and open, especially in Malay. Close and open Malay is a bit confusing. That's the reason why in a real SPM, right, you are allowed, you kamu dibenarkan menggunakan perkataan on and off in Malay one. I'm serious. And someone can add in bohan. Contohnya, kamu berkata lita di open inverted comma on kan. Like that. You can write like that one. Lita di on kan. I'm serious. I'm not joking. Okay, mengapa? Sebab dalam bahasa Melayu, right, it's a bit, as I mentioned before in the class, for those in my class before I told you, it's a bit confusing. Seperti kita kata lampu tutup. Tutup. In everyday life, lampu tutup. Maksudnya apa? Tutup lampu, off the light, correct tak? But in science, tutup actually mean on. Buka lampu actually mean off. You know what I say? That's why it's very confusing. That's why kita galakkan menggunakan on and off. Of course, dalam bahasa Melayu, ada juga dia tak nak guna English. Saya tak nak English. Benci English. Okay lah, maybe. I don't know. Okay, don't be like that lah. Example ni. Of course, you don't like you English, you another word called hidup atau mati. Understand? Hidup mati. Understand? But I don't like to use the word hidup mati lah. Macam tak ada feng shui. Ini sains, ini fizik. Janganlah tak baik hidup mati. Macam curse orang kan. So, no hidup mati lah. I don't like to use lah. But up to you. So, when the switch is on, bacaan voltmeter akan berbeza. So, at that moment, the voltmeter reading will turn into what? Dia akan menjadi apa? It turn into external voltage. Understand tak? Bermakna apabila kamu sediakan litar ini, okay, you go pasar malam, you test the battery. The moment you test, first of all, switch off, you look at it, oh, 1.5 volt. Okay, you test the battery, 1.5 volt, contohnya, 1.5 volt. Is it good battery? Don't be too happy first. Okay, don't be too happy ya. Jangan gembira sangat. Okay, the moment you on the switch, tengok bacaan dia. 0.1, katakanlah. So what are you gonna do? Return the battery to the seller. Terima kasih bang, tak nak belilah. Understand not? If the abang tak tumbuk you lah. Understand not? Is that clear? So just an example for you. This is how they determine, this is how we determine, okay, the inside and outside. Write it down into your notes, okay? Write it down into your notes, please. We're going to finish this today. So still got people might not meet. Okay, write it down quick. Quickly, I give you 20 seconds. Okay, done? All right. Once you're done with that, they're going to show you some of the formula for the calculation. Look at this side, bottom. Okay, some more okay or not? Any question? No, All right. Okay, please, as I said, we have to learn in this kind of method already nowadays. No choice, no choice. You like it or not, that's a trend of the world now. Okay, I hope you can understand. So, untuk kita belajar ini dengan lebih berkesan, one of the important thing is your self-discipline. Please, you're a big boy, big girl. Discipline is very important. Okay, hopefully, we really hope we can meet one day, but we do not know when. Like today, we know that a lot of industry memang terbuka, we boleh beli barang dah, shopping already. But the thing is like education, masih kita tak boleh pergi sekolah, we still cannot meet. So we do not know when until. So we just pray for the good. Kita doakan lah. So hopefully, please work hard, everyone work hard. But no doubt, you are sorry to say you're very unlucky because you are the SPM student. SPM year. SPM is extremely important, this exam. Very important. Supaya you can teruskan masuk college or university. So that's why. Other than like PT3 or this UPSR, that's why dimasukkan, okay? That's why SPM seriously important. Work hard, please work hard. I cannot see you, I don't know how. Okay, work hard. Okay, next. Okay, now we go on to the formula. Okay, untuk formula wise is like that. Macam mana kita nak tahu? You see, based on these two things, you will see that kita boleh ukurkan EMF, kita boleh ukurkan external. Do I need to ukur internal? Basically no need. Mengapa? Internal can be calculated. Okay, internal boleh dikirakan punya. Macam mana? As we know very well. EMF punya idea utama is what? Sama dengan external campur dengan internal lah. So, nak dapatkan internal, we take EMF minus external will do. Understand tak? That's the meaning of that. So, the symbol yang kita gunakan untuk EMF, we're using this symbol. That's why at the beginning, some of you, if you notice that, I start to use this already. You see, I start to use this. Can you see that? Just now, I also use this thing. So, apa benda ini ya? This thing actually, right? Like some of the book, they use a capital letter E. Depend on it. Dua-dua boleh benarkan dalam SPM. You can use a capital E ataupun benda itu. That thing actually is called the epsilon. Kamu pernah tengok dia punya adik ya? Okay, adik dia, you boleh nampak di your mathematics set. Dia punya adik macam ni punya. Very cute looking, artistic looking, ada echo punya itu. That is the one. Understand or not? That is a small letter. This is a capital letter. Is one of the member from the alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, all this lah. Oops. Okay. Accidentally erase that part. Okay, so it's up to you which one you like to use. For me, right, in terms of handwriting, I like to use this. In terms of typing or printing, I like to use this. Sebab dalam typing, right, this is easier to type compared with that thing. That thing hard to type. That's why I don't like. But handwriting, that one nicer. Sebab senang tulis. This one like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. A bit slow. That one easier. Okay. So dia menjadi external plus internal. All right. So the EMF is going to be, okay, ladies and gentlemen, can you remember what is the formula for V? Obviously, I think all of you should know. Voltage punya formula is I R plus with I R. Understand or not? Okay, what is a big R over here? Big R is called as a external resistance. External resistance, rintangan luaran. Unit ohm. So the small r is talking about internal resistance. Rintangan dalam. Okay, rintangan dalam. Internal resistance. Okay? Is that clear? So apa yang di luar, apa yang di dalam lah. Is that clear? Then we also can do one more step on the formula wise. So EMF akan menjadi factorize the I, faktorkan dia R campur dengan R. Okay? Write down into your notes. That's the formula. Still got people coming in, you see. This Chen Yu still outside ya, kesian dia. Siapa kena dia? QIANYU. Siapa kena dia? Nasihatkan dia sikit, kesian dia. Sudah salin semua? Hurry up. 10 second. Okay, 10 second. Countdown. Time's up. Okay. Okay, now I'll show you some of the example how we can use the formula. As you know that there's an exercise to do, ada 6 soalan di sini. This 6 question, saya sudah letak jawapan dah. I already put the answer in my Telegram also. I did myself, you can see it's my handwriting one. I just letak, I think, on Saturday or Sunday. Okay, saya baru letak yesterday or day before. Okay, check on it. Okay, check on it. How to use the formula. Again, please be a good student. Disiplin sedikit, buat dah, mesti buat. Then you check the answer. Exactly like that, saya letak dalam saya punya Telegram. Check the answer from there. Please, kalau dalam saya punya jalan kerja, whatever don't understand, please ask. Ask. Understand or not? I cannot see your face. I don't know whether you understand or not. So make sure ask. Okay or not? Boleh ah? Okay. So because we're going to end ready for this chapter, just a little bit more what to do with it. Look at the next one is this one. Okay, someone asked question here. He or she. Okay. Sorry, teacher, I was confused with external resistance and internal resistance. The difference between this is inside and outside. Yes, exactly. Means that inside is or outside. Inside means inside the battery. Means when you build the battery itself, semasa kamu hasilkan battery, the chemical inside, okay, the chemical inside, there's a resistance. Ada resistance, rintangan. That's called internal resistance. Outside the circuit can be a lot of things. So all this is called external, outside lah. Okay, I think I answer you that. Okay now? All right. Last part of the chapter. Okay, this part is nothing one. Okay, just look at it. This part, right? Okay, one more question. What is the difference between these 3 formula? No different. It's up to you. As I said, some of the people, okay, ada orang, just now the 3 formula, you not consider 3 formula, actually it's 1 formula. Okay, 1 formula. That means that the formula, right, sometimes you need to count like this, sometimes you count like this, sometimes count like that. All same. Okay, all same. Teacher, can you try 1 question above as example? Okay lah, since you request, I try 1. Okay, I show you what I mean by that. Okay. So there are 6 questions over here. Okay, let me do which one now. Okay, let's do number one now. Okay, since one example. Okay, and today's Monday, so we do number one. Okay, look at number one. Okay, I show you lah, huh? Okay, contohnya is like that. Diagram above show when the switch is off. Okay, switch is off. 1 meter reading 1.5. Stop there. Okay, jangan baca lagi lah. Stop there. So the question say that when the switch is off, as I mentioned just now, when the switch is off, right, one of the important thing is what? The wattmeter reading. Apa yang diberikan kepada anda? So at that moment, the wattmeter reading, the question say that is 1.5 watt, you know. So that 1.5 watt is representing the EMF. Okay, you got my point? You're representing the EMF. Well, still got people coming in. Okay, that's the first thing. Then he said, when the switch is on, can you see that? The wattmeter reading become 1.35. So another reading they give it to you. So this is 1.35 watt. So this is considered as a what? External, outside. You get the point? Can I? So dengan adanya dua nilai ini, I can get one thing secara percuma. I get one thing for free. What is that? It's the internal, right? Correct not? Internal is just basically internal, external is the EMF. So internal going to be how much from here? 0.15 volt. Understand not? So mengapa yang nak kirakan benda itu? Tak ada apa-apa, saja je. Because I already have the two thing, so I just do another one just for fun. Useful or useless, we see later lah. Kita tengok kemudian lah. Okay? So it means that until now, ada 3 maklumat yang penting lah. There are 3 informations given over here. Okay? 3 information is given over here. One is an EMF, one is an external voltage, one is an internal. Okay, the next thing you can see here, the ammeter shows 0.3 ampere. So the next is current in the circuit is a 0.3 ampere. Okay, then he said, find the internal resistance of the cell. Internal resistance. So R kecil berapa? Okay, someone asked, why 1.5 not internal? No, I think, wait something some of you never pay attention Okay, luckily here. I already said, when the switch off is the EMF, switch on, external. Okay, then I might answer you that. Okay, for those students, for this one from SJ, 1.5 is not the internal. Internal, okay, you get it from calculation. Okay, from the circuit, you only can get the external and also EMF. Okay, can I? Let's answer you that. Okay, thank you. From KD. See how, sir, how to differentiate external EMF? That's why I say, how to differentiate external or EMF, right? One of the way you look at the switch. Switch on, external, off, EMF. Okay or not? That's one of the way. Is that clear? One of the way. Okay, please, I hope you understand that. I know it's a bit confusing one, but that's why I say you're able to catch the keyword. Okay, catch the keyword. Okay, you might understand that on means what? On means the circuit is working. The circuit is working. Understand or not? The circuit is working. When the circuit is working, so the what we call the wattmeter is called external. Circuit working, external. Circuit not working, EMF. Okay or not? Can Okay, I'll show you later. Show you another example since a lot of you confused. Okay, can I continue from here? Can I? All right. So now come back to this. Apa dia minta? You see what I did all the time is that that's my habit of answering question. So that's my habit. I like to write all the information down. Understand or not? So what is the value of R? Find the internal resistance. Can you see that? Internal means small r, R kecil. Big R is external. Okay or not? R kecil. Macam mana? Sir, ada 3 formula, sir. Macam mana nak buat? You see, I just want to show you that. Let me write for you over here again. Formula kita punya idea ataupun asas formula kita is what? The basic formula is what? External plus internal is the EMF, right? I also can write as this. IR plus IR. I also can write as this. Betul tak? Dia ada bentuk-bentuk yang berbeza. R plus R. Yes or no? Am I right? Dia bentuk berbeza. So mana satu nak pakai? This is really technical now. It depends on the situation. Not only that, this formula juga boleh digunakan sebagai sebahagian, separa, part of it. What I mean by part of it, you see, you also can use this part of the formula only. This part only. Also can. You know what I say? What it means is, you juga boleh gunakan is, V external is the IR. This part only. Also can. Ataupun, you also can use this part of the formula. Oops. Of the formula. Also can. Understand or not? That part also can. So it means V internal is IR. Pun boleh. I want you to understand, ini bukan formula baru. No. Bermakna all this is a formula yang satu yang original. Kita boleh pecah-pecah-pecah pada banyak-banyak jenis bentuk-bentuk berbeza. Understand or not? Bentuk-bentuk yang berbeza. Is that clear? So now, which one should I use? It depends on the situation. You see class, kalau kamu cukup cekap, okay, you are sensitive enough, kalau kamu nampak, internal sudah bagi. Correct not? I pun sudah bagi. Dia mau carikan R. Betul? So what are you going to do? So basically I just use V internal equals to IR will do, right? Can you see that? So bermakna R menjadi apa? Internal bahagi dengan I lah. Betul tak? Is it okay? Can you follow? Class, are you okay? Can I? So I write the working on this side of the board. So it could be coming. R menjadi internal voltage 0.15 bahagi the current. What is the current? 0.3. Is it okay? So R menjadi berapa? 0.05. Disebabkan dia merupakan satu rintangan, so ohm. That's the answer. Okay or not? Write it down, Write it down. That's why I say this is not easy, but if you're good enough with that, you will know what is going on. That's why I don't want to do all the questions with you, seriously. Okay? You are the one going to try first. Try first. Okay? Baru kamu rujuk jawapan saya di Telegram saya. You go and check it out there. You try first. Then only you still cannot get it, then only you message me. So how? Then I will try my best to explain it to you. Is that clear? Okay? 0.5 meh? 0.15 divided by 0.3. So basically 1.5 divided by 2. Oh yeah, stupid. Siapa buat tu? Looks like me, sound like me, not me. Sorry today weather not good. Saya good. I test you whether you pay attention or not. 0.5 Okay, saja saya sengaja. Move decimal 1.5 divided by 3. Yalah bodoh betul. Siapa buat tadi tu? Not me. Not me. Okay. Okay or not? Okay, at least you pay attention now about those voice out for me. So why not 0.5? Good. I test you one purposely. I know some of you maybe already tidur already. Saya sengaja nak test. I know it's 0.5 kan. Sengaja letak je. Okay. Alright then. Alright. Okay, please try. Yeah, sir, you just tested us, right? Yeah, I'm tested. Yeah, I know. You know, some student I cannot see your face, man. Maybe sleep already now. Understand or not? Okay, come. Okay, this part okay, let's come to something new. Okay, something new here. This part. Okay, for this part, okay, what I'm going to do for you is like that. A lot of students, when you come to you, confused. Why so many formula? I just want to show you in the extra notes over there, I will show you what is happening on the left-hand side. I will use a few lines of word only to explain to you what is happening on your left. Okay, so look at this side. I show you now. Okay, that side you don't need to care first. Okay, jangan tengok dulu. You look at this. Okay, if you remember class, kalau kamu masih ingat, what is the first formula we learned from this chapter? What's the first formula we learned? I test you again. Terima kasih. So what's the first formula we learned? It's called a Q equals to IT, right? Okay, Q is a charge. I current, T time. Charge arus dengan masa. Betul? First formula. Okay, next. Second formula yang kita belajar namanya E. This E bukan EMF ah. Don't confuse. That's why a lot of time I like to use this rather than this in EMF. Sebab confused. These two merupakan symbol for EMF. Yes. Tapi this E juga merupakan symbol for what? Energy. Tenaga. That's why it's a bit confusing. What to do? Okay, physics, we don't have enough alphabet to use. Okay, so this is what we did before. So what is this E representing? Okay, the E representing the energy, tenaga. Kalau kamu masih ingat, tenaga dia menjadi apa? Tenaga dia formula adalah VQ. Betul tak? And the third formula we have is called the V equals to IR. Betul tak? These three is a major one, I would say. And you know what is the best part? Just because of these three formula, we can rojak together one to become new formula. Understand tak? I show you what happened. So this thing actually explain. Semua yang saya cakap ini explain in this page. Okay, this page adalah semua, whatever I say just now, explain over here. Okay, I just write it down for you in a few lines on the right hand side. Just want to show you it's not difficult at all. Okay, it's not difficult at all. Okay, what it means like that, look at this. Okay, if you try to use the first formula, you combine with the second formula. You know what you're going to get? Bermakna ini masuk dalam ini. You dapat apa? You dapat apa? You will get, okay, electrical energy equals to VIT. Can you see that? Sir, new formula, sir. For me, it's not the new. It just combine. Understand? No, it just combine. Is that clear? Maybe some of you, for you, it's new lah. Correct or not? Okay, for you, maybe it's new lah. Okay, for me, it's just a combine only. You sudah tahu punya mah. Understand or not? I just use another example to show you like food lah. Sorry for those of puasa. That's how you want the later buka puasa nak makan sate. Betul tak? Sate ayam, okay? Okay, sate daging, okay? Two different sate. You combine together. You want the secocok itu. Half of it is ayam, half of it is daging. Sate baru. For me, it's the same sate. Understand not? Daging plus ayam only mah. Just combine only. New formula. Correct or not? Not new. You see what happened? You know what happened? So let me call this formula number 4. Okay, Anat? Happy? And you know what's the best part? This formula number 4. Okay, formula number 4. You combine with number 3. A lot of magical thing can happen now. You see, I show you what happened. You know that already. Oops, sorry, I use a blue. So E is equals to VIT. Betul tak? Tapi kamu kena faham. V is equals to IR. Correct or not? So what you can do, I can substitute. Saya boleh masukkannya ke dalam. Okay, saya boleh masukkannya ke dalam. So menjadi, you see this one masuk ke dalam saja. V masuk ke dalam sini. So dia akan menjadi apa? Dia akan menjadi energy is becoming IR IT. Can you see that? So energy akan menjadi apa? I square RT. Can you see that? Can you see on this side of the notes? On the left hand side, can you see that? Wah, formula baru, sir. Is it new formula? Up to you how you looking at it. Okay, wow, sir, more formula. For me, it's not important at all. Oh, sorry. For me, the most important is these 3. You combine it, you can get as many as you can. You want to play? I play some more for you. You see, I can use formula number 4 again. Combine with formula number 3 again in a different way. You see, dia akan menjadi energy is equals to VIT. Betul tak? V is equal IR. Betul? Tetapi I is equal to V over R. Okay, now I'll play some algebraic arrangement on it. Masukkan I ini ke dalam. Here. Okay. That means that what you're going to get, you will get something like this. Okay, you will get E equals to V over R, T. So E menjadi V square RT. Can you see that? Is it a new formula? But most of the book, you can see that dia akan cakap, dia akan beritahu, wah, another new formula is formed. Can you see that? but it's not. It's just a rojak only. What I want to tell you is nothing to be worried about. It's just how we're going to rearrange the formula to combine them only. Is it okay? Can So which one you want to use is up to you one. Basically all same, semua sama. Yang penting kamu kena tahu semua data daripada 3 formula itu saja. Okay or not? And just before we end our lesson, not end yet, end our chapter, sorry. I will teach you one last thing. It's a money calculation. It's called the electronic usage. Look at this up the board, usage. How are we going to count it? It means that we want to know how TMB count money, charge us money. Okay? This is very important because nowadays in MCO, most people stay at home. So definitely your home electric bill is getting higher because more people using electricity mah. Okay, tapi kita kena tahu macam mana TMB sebenarnya buat pengiraan. Okay, buat kira is like that. Okay, kalau kamu nampak you punya rumah mesti ada satu electric meter punya, betul tak? Because you are using electricity, mesti ada meter. Tiap-tiap bulan itu TMB punya staff will come to your house, look at the number, charge you money on that meter. Okay, that meter got number, you know, that meter got number. Okay, so dalam nombor itu setiap nombor dia berubah. Let's say your reading of the meter is 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's say, 1, 2, 3. Dia akan menjadi, let's say 1, 2, 4. Dia berubah. Dia berubah satu nilai, kita namakannya penggunaan. It's a 1 unit of usage. Penggunaannya 1 unit. It's considered 1 unit of usage. Okay, mengikut TMB punya pengiraan sahaja. Actually, class, this calculation not only work for TMB, in fact, work for the worldwide. Satu dunia pun pakai benda yang sama. Okay, 1 unit is considered as TMB called it as 1 kilowatt hour, 1 kWh. What is the meaning of 1 kWh? That means you are using 1 kilowatt in the time of 1 hour, 1 jam. What do you mean 1 kilowatt? Iaitu 1000 watt dalam masa 1 jam. Okay? That means 1 kilowatt hour. Okay or not? Can? Okay, maybe you do not know what I'm trying to say. I use the example all the time. Okay, for example, you have an electric kettle. Okay, electric kettle. Cara electric kettle. Electric kettle biasanya dia punya power is 1000. Okay, is it very high? It's kind of high also, but it depends how you look at it. A lot of things in your house is also high power one. Contohnya aircon. Aircon kat bilik biasanya is 1000 watt also. Aircon kecil lah, besar punya can be 2000, 3000 watt. For example, your vacuum cleaner also like 1000 watt ada, 1500 watt pun ada. Okay, it depends. I use a very simple one, electric kettle. Katakan you got nothing better to do at home, you boil water. You boil water for how long? 1 hour. Nothing better to do. Turn on 1 hour. So kering lah, kering. Yeah, the water will dry up, so you add water some more. Boil. Add water some more. Boil. Add water some more. Boy, let's say 1 hour, you got nothing better to do. So what is your electrical usage? Apakah penggunaan kamu? So dia akan menjadi, so you take the 1000, you must convert into kilowatt first. So 1 kilowatt. So you are using 1 kilowatt now. How long you take for you to boil water? 1 hour, right? You times 1 now. Understand or not? If you boil water 2 hours, times 2. 1 hour, 3 hours, times 3. Just like that. Okay or not? So you just do that only. Okay. Lepas tu lagi dapat berapa di sini? 1 kilowatt hour, iaitu penggunaan 1 unit. Dianggap penggunaan 1 unit. Okay, mengikut kebiasaan, according to a normal situation, 1 unit of usage, right? TMB normally will charge you around like 20 cents. 20 to 25 cents per unit. 20 to 25 cents. Of course, if you ask me, sir, is it very expensive? Okay, it depends how you look at it. Later I will show you. 1 unit, you have to spend 20 cents. Meaning that, you see, you boil water, you know, kettle. You boil the water for 1 hour, non-stop 1 hour. How much is the pay to the TMB? 20 cents. I say the price is like 20 cents to 25. Some is until 30 cents. So, but TMB will charge the bill, right, electric bill. Different area, they have different charges. Kalau kamu tinggal kat flat, apartment, condo, terrace house, jenis bangunan berbeza akan charge berbeza. Tapi biasanya around 20, 23 cent, 25 cent, some 30 cent. Bungalow different one. Different area different also. Understand or not? Because TMB ada kesusahan dia. they have a difficulty to send you electricity. That's why they charge a different price. But I just use a simple one to tell you, it's 20 cents. Imagine you boil water non-stop for 1 hour. 1 hour, non-stop. You pay 20 cents only to TMB. I put it back to you in general. 20 cents to boil water 1 hour. This kind of price is considered expensive or cheap. What do you think? I just want to see your comment. I give you 10 seconds. Of course, I would not ask you to explain. You can private message me also, can. I'm looking at it now. DCC, ini tak ada pendiam punya student. A lot say cheap, expensive, cheap, but mostly cheap. One fella say okay lor. Some of most say cheap, mostly cheap. There are some expensive pun ada, tapi tak banyak. Okay, thank you for your response. Let me show you expensive or not. Okay, let me use another example. Okay, aircon. Aircon juga menggunakan apa? 1 kilowatt. Okay, someone say, every time my mom say I shower too long. Yes, water heater also very high power. Some water heater is 2 kilowatt. Okay, but aircon kecil, aircon biasa, aircon bilik 1 kilowatt. Okay, nowadays a lot of time you feel very hot, right? So how many hours you use aircon in your day? Someone asked, what is the P? P is power. P power. Water. Okay, someone asked, sorry, I didn't clarify. Okay, katakan dia punya power is 1 kilowatt, 1000 untuk aircon biasa lah, aircon kecil. So how long if you turn on your aircon a day? How long? Okay, I think in general maybe 8 hours. Maybe some of you orang kaya, you turn on the aircon for 24 hours. Some 9 hours, you see, orang kaya maybe 5 hours, 12 hours pun ada. Okay, ada 24 pun ada. Wow, a lot of rich people. Saya aircon pun tak ada, saya pakai blower ni. Okay, let's say 8 hours lah, fair enough lah, 8 hours. Okay, sometimes, no, I just want to show you, you see, 8 hours. So what is your usage? You take 1 kilowatt times 8 hours, right? Someone say, saya miskin, tak ada aircon. Me too. Okay, no lah, okay. Okay, like that. I just show you, no aircon good. You see what happened for the aircon now? You multiply 8, right? So what is that? 8 kilowatt hour. Bermakna 8 units. Am I right? Okay, no. Saya blower pun tak ada. Janganlah macam tu. Okay, 8 units. Okay, come back. The aircon use how much? 8 units, right? 1 unit how much? 20 cents, right? So 8 unit maksudnya apa? Times 20 cents lah. So becoming 1 ringgit and 60 cents. Correct or not? See, 1 ringgit 60 cents for you to turn on the aircon for 1 day. 1 day. You turn on aircon every day, right? Let's count. You multiply by how much? Okay, make it simple lah. 30 days lah, okay? 30 days. 1 month, last month, April, whole day. Okay? Whole day. Okay? I mean, the whole month you are at home. How much you get from here? Someone recalculate for me. Thank you. 48 ringgit. Think carefully. 48 ringgit per month per aircon. Per aircon, you know. Some say, yeah, sir, my house got 5 aircon, like times 5. How much is that? 200 over, you know. Just to pay for aircon, you know. Belum lagi termasuk you punya TV lah, you punya refrigerator lah, lampu lah, all these things. Belum lagi, you know. Just aircon. Okay? Understand or not? Just aircon, you know. Okay or not? Is that clear? Just aircon, you know. So is it expensive? I'm highly educated. Expensive, you know. Is that clear? It's very, very expensive. Understand? Okay? Someone asked, is a constant for every hour? I mean, yes, normally it's like that. I mean, they're constantly like boil water, constantly use that much. Sir, but someone said, but MCO got discount. Oh, yeah, true also lah. MCO got discount. Yeah, they have discount. That's why you use full blast aircon. True also. MCO got discount. I should turn on aircon also full blast. Okay, actually it's very expensive. I understand. And some more, you know, as I say, 20 cents is very minimum, you know. Some area charge even 30 cents. Calculate and see lah berapa tu. Understand? So that's why my advice before we end this chapter, for those who shower too long, you use heater. Heater even worse. That's why your mother complain. You shower, you know lah, some of you mandi, apa, nyanyi lagu apa, whole album. Okay, from first track to the bonus track. Okay, then come out, wow, very warm, aircon full blast. That's why sometimes you can see your father read newspaper that you observe your father at the side got tears coming out one. Expensive lah, electric bill. Understand or not? Is that clear? Someone asked, is Malaysia electric bill cheap compared with other country? I don't know how you're gonna compare. I don't know how you're gonna compare because very hard to compare other country one. You see, because of the currency. What I'm trying to say is, like Malaysia Petroleum. Last time, okay, we think about last time. Now, petroleum now 1 liter petroleum is RM1.50 over cent, RM1.50 thinking about it. So for us, RM1.50 per liter. Like US, right? 1 liter is not even few cents only, maybe 20, 30, but USD lah. Okay. I think it's around 80 or 90 cents. Sorry, not that cheap. 80 to 90 cents per USD. But you convert back, right? 80 cents. You convert back USD menjadi Malaysia, you times 4. Around times 4 lah. 80 cents times 4 is RM3.20. Bermakna sana RM3.20, here RM1.60, for example, or 50 cents. You may say, oh, US expensive, here cheaper. Am I right? But you must think carefully is, we pay RM1.50 our money. They pay 80 cents their money. You know what I say? Their money. That means imagine you stay there, you pay 80 cents. Your feeling is 80 cents. You will not think about Malaysia, right? So the number is still small for them. So it's considered cheap for them. We are considered expensive. Same thing here. You don't convert the number, we are actually, you don't convert number, we are expensive. You convert a number, we consider cheap. Just like that. Hard to say. Okay, someone asked, so kalau lampu itu dah tak menyala tapi switch on, dia still dikira usage energy. Yes, walaupun switch kamu off, right? Switch on ke off tapi lampu tak nyala. Walaupun off pun, dia masih guna sedikit. Sebab as I told you before, right? Walaupun let's say you 1 month rumah tak ada orang, langsung tak ada pakai elektrik. Tapi bill masih jalan punya, masih kena bayar punya. Mengapa? Sebab TNB datang hantar elektron. Remember, rumah kamu banyak wire tau. Banyak wire, banyak rintangan. Banyak rintangan, elektron pun terkorban juga. Apa yang dianggap kamu kena bayar lah. Just like that. No matter what, still need to pay one. Based on our place where we are staying, right, sir? Yes. Where you stay actually depends what type of house you stay also. So they will, TNB will charge differently. For high rise, bangunan tinggi biasanya lebih mahal punya. For landed, it's cheaper one. Is it same for water bill? Yes. Water bill also like that. Water bill like different area, like Selangor, cheaper, KL like more expensive. It's like that. Okay, almost the same lah. Okay, can So one day you grow up, you will know lah. So any other question? So again, there's a lot of exercises here. I already did that. Saya sudah buat dah. Semua saya sudah buat. I already put my Telegram. Please do first before you ask. Okay? We still a little bit of time. I don't like to waste time one. So we go on something more interesting. Suddenly we can move on already. So make sure this is a new notes. Chapter 3. Ini ada nota baru. Okay, chapter 3. Okay, new notes. Pastikan kamu nota ini. Hari ini tak ada tak apa. You just listen to me, will do. Mana saya hari ini tak ada tak apa. You just listen to me, will do. Okay? Don't have, it's okay. Understand? So make sure you have it after the lesson. You go to my Telegram. Okay, you can find. Okay, you can find these notes, or you can go to any of the center. Ask for the manager to forward to you. Okay or not? Any other question based on just now, the money one? A lot based on money, a lot of questions to ask. I think that's all. So what is your Telegram? Actually, for Telegram, whatever, also, you just find this thing. You can find me already. Okay? For those who don't know my Telegram channel, I just one more time. Every week kena tunjuk juga. Where's my Telegram channel? Okay. Go back extra note. I want a screenshot. Okay, I can go back a bit. You want to screenshot the notes? Can. Tak ada masalah. Okay, I just want to Sorry. Where is it? Manage channel. Channel type. Link. Okay, for those that don't know my, what we call Telegram channel, this is the channel. Okay, so make sure got it. Or someone need to copy the extra note, a screenshot, can, no problem. I go back for you. Okay. Is it the whole thing or just this part only? Okay, let me adjust for you. Here. Okay. Done? Yes, someone will ask me a question from KD. You can ask straight away. Sometimes ask question, no need to address me. Sir, tak payah lah. No need. Straight away. We know each other very well. Sudah? This student? Okay. Okay, can we move on? Okay, someone asked question. Sir, the 22 cent, if the exam is still the same. Oh, the 20 cent in the exam is different one because it depends on the question will tell you. Follow the question, yes. The 20 cent, just example only. You follow question. The question say 20 cent, 20 cent, or 23 cent, 23 cent. You follow the question. Okay. What else? Sir, what shirt next? Sir, next, what shirt? What shirt? Which shirt I haven't shown you? Which superhero you haven't seen? Iron Man, Spider-Man saya tengok. Ini Captain. Hulk tak boleh lah. Itu suruh Mr. Ben lah. Saya malu lah, Hulk. Black Panther. Makan dah. Black Panther. Black Widow. If I wear Black Widow, my wife will scream. Captain Marvel. Batman ada? Batman boleh? Batman can? I got Batman one. Superman lah, I think. Next week, Superman. Yes, another I wear. Superman. Of course, don't expect me to wear underwear outside. Even I wear also, you don't see also. Okay, come back lah. Cicak Man. Seriously, Cicak Man. I like Cicak Man. Okay. 2% say Cicak Man here. Aquaman tak mau lah. Lama dia tak ada feng shui lah. Macam aqua. Macam pondan lah. Aquaman. Tak nak lah. Supergirl. Ant-Man. Cicak Man, yes. But cannot buy lah the costume. Cannot get lah. Ultraman. Ultraman pun susah nak pakai baju dia. Next week, one by one. Okay. Next week we do Superman. Kalau saya ingat lah. Power Ranger. Someone say. Power Ranger senang je. Merah-merah. Putih-putih. Okay. Hitam-hitam. The Fresh. Hijau. Oh, cannot lah. Fresh. Kalau pakai Fresh, the green screen behind ini pun green. You will see this thing appear in my shirt. The whole thing will appear in my shirt like that one. Okay, if I wear a green shirt. Powerpuff Girl. Hey, all of you cakap benda ni so creative. Okay, come back lah, okay? We're gonna learn. Okay, class, we're gonna enter the new chapter called electromagnetism. In dalam bahasa Melayu, kita namakan sebagai keelektromagnetan. Okay, class, you see, that is the best part of physics. Okay, look at this. Look at this. This is the most interesting part, I would say. I told you already, bab yang kedua namanya elektrik. Bab yang ketiga namanya keelektromagnetan. Bab yang ketiga, electronic. English, electricity. Electromagnetism, electronics. You look at the name, you know, elect, they are brothers. So, apabila kita masuk bab ini, what you need to know is, whatever we learn, apa saja kita pernah belajar sebelum ini, itu bab elektrik, you have to understand and carry forward here and also to here, as I told you before. Understand or not? That's why this is considered 3 episode. 3 episode. Understand? I call it a trilogy. So, first episode kita baru habis, kita masuk episode kedua. Okay? Episode 2. Of the elect family, electromagnetism. But as I told you, the best part for physics is this. You see, the title of this is called electromagnetism. Okay? Electromagnetism. Okay. class. That's the best part for physics, as I always say. Mengapa? Like bio, right? Bio, you know, like learn bio, right? When you learn bio, you look at the word, the teacher tell you, Miss Pakia or Mr. JB teaching you, when you look at the word, you will not know what is that about, right? Until the teacher explain to you what is that. You kena tunggu apa benda tu. Tunggu. Sudah explain pun tak tahu apa benda tu. Kena tengok gambar raja. Ini tempatnya. Nampaknya Kikong, Kisasa, Fugaha. Something like that. Nama ni memang canggih. Sometimes I really surprised. Someone say, teacher, Puan Pakia already, not Miss. If I say Miss, if I call her Puan Pakia, I tell you, saya punya kereta punya tayar mesti pancit lah, tell you. Okay, she always say she's very young, okay, sexy, cute. That's suddenly very cold. Okay, come back. Okay, so you learn bio, you know, trachea lah, esophagus lah, diaphragm. Tengok nama pun, understand not? Okay, nama pun canggih punya, understand not? But physics not like that one. Physics very stupid one with the name. What it mean by electromagnetism? From the name itself, you know, electromagnetism referring to two things. Dua perkataan combined. One is electro, one is magnetism. So electromagnetism. Understand not? What do you mean by electro? Electro means electricity. And this is exactly what we have done. Yang kita pernah belajar. What we have done. Kita pernah belajar ini. Where is it? Chapter 2. Yang kita baru habis, betul tak? What's the current, charge, voltage, all these things, like EMF, whatever. Electro. What does a magnetism mean? Magnetism came from a word? Magnet. It came from the word magnet. Understand or not? Okay, now I need to zoom in first. This word is what we're going to looking at. Magnet. Dalam bahasa Melayu, I love the Malay translation. Magnet. Same spelling, magnet. BM. Magnet. Okay, let me throw the question to you. What is a magnet now? Apa tu magnet? What is a magnet? I think all of you know what is a magnet. And this you can see. This chapter is called about electromagnetism. Electro means electricity. Sudah belajar. Now we're going to learn about magnet. We're going to learn about magnet. We're going to learn magnet now. Lepas tu we're going to learn. We learn combine. Apabila electricity combine dengan magnet, what are you going to get? So now before that, split first. Electricity, sudah. Now magnet, ladies and gentlemen. What is magnet? Siapa berani jawab sini? Saya belanja dia. Minum. I love this answer, you see. Magnet is magnet lah. Magnet is magnet. Yeah, I know. Okay, I know. Thank you. Okay, magnet is magnet lah. Magnet lah. Oh, you see? So I say, stick lah. Lekat benda je. Class. Cannot be like that. Okay. Okay, macam-macam ada. Sapo, nopo, wow, attraction, okay? Okay, very good answer. Okay, attract metal, dia kata. Ada kata attract metal. Repel, sapo repel, two sapo repel, two nopo repel. Okay, good. A lot of different answer. Okay, very good. Stop for a while first. Okay, I dare to tell you now, what is a magnet? Okay, this is very interesting. First of all, magnet, right, is just one of the material that you can find inside the earth. But makna you got nothing better to do, MCO mah, nothing better to do. Something they stick on the fridge. Something they stick on the fridge is called magnet. Okay. If you stick your brother on the fridge, then your brother is a magnet. Okay, come back. So what is a magnet actually? Magnet is just a mineral. Dia merupakan satu galian. It's a mineral. That means you got nothing better to do, right? You go to the front part, okay, the front yard of your house, depan, okay, rumah kamu, you korek bawah tanah. You korek. You found something. Magnet, okay? Let's say you found it's a magnet. Basically, magnet is just a bahan galian bumi. It's just one of the mineral from the earth. But you might understand, different material and different mineral on inside the earth, right? They have a different kind of criteria, sifat yang berbeza. Just like, for example, hydrogen, okay, it's a kind of thing that you can find on earth. Okay, hydrogen ada sifat dia. Apa sifat dia? Hydrogen is a terrorist. Dia ada sifat dia. Apabila digabung dengan oksigen, dia akan meletup. Dia meletup, terrorist. Okay, dia tu terrorist. Hydrogen is terrorist, dia meletup. Kalau dia campur oksigen dengan baik, Dia tak letup. Jadi apa? Jadi air, H2O. Itu behavior dia. Correct or not? That's the behavior of the hydrogen. But you must understand, when we're talking about behavior, again, you must understand, behavior, sifat, is something you cannot question. You tak boleh tanya. You cannot ask why. You know what I'm saying? You cannot ask why. Understand or not? You cannot ask why. It's behavior. It's just like we are human. We walk with our feet. Kita jalan dengan kaki, not with your hand. Sir, why not? You know what I'm saying? Can you explain? A bit hard. Sir, got people. So what we had, I know, but it's not a minority. Same thing. We walk with 2 feet, 2 kaki. We not walk with 4. Correct or not? Why? Behavior. Satu sifat. Understand? You cannot ask why. Same thing here. Magnet merupakan satu mineral. Dia ada behavior. Apa behavior? The behavior of the magnet is able to attract other mineral. I repeat. Magnet actually is a mineral or material that able to attract other material. Bermakna you see, this is a controller. This is not a magnet. They cannot attract other material. Because what? Cannot, not a magnet. Kalau the magnet, you can able to attract other material. Understand or not? Bahan lain. Understand or not? Is that clear? That's called magnet. But you know very well. Do you think magnet will attract everything? Adakah magnet akan tarik semua benda? Tidak. Magnet only able to attract certain thing. Certain thing, not all the thing. Understand? Like for example, magnet cannot attract plastic. Magnet cannot attract rubber. All this, they're not interested. Magnet only able to attract certain thing. What is a certain thing? We call it as a magnetic material. Okay, look at the notes now. So tak ada nota tak apa, you look at this, you will know. Look at the screen, you will know. Can you see that? Okay, can you see that? They'll only attract magnetic material, which is called iron, steel, cobalt, and nickel. Iron in Malay, okay, for those that learn in Malay, sorry, iron in Malay called besi. Bermakna you have a magnet. Katakan magnet, katakan a fridge magnet. Magnet. When you're able to stick on the fridge, maksudnya apa? That means the fridge surface, right, ada besi, ada iron. Understand? There's an iron there. Steel in Malay called keluli, keluli. Actually, steel is what we call as a compound of iron also. It's a compound of iron. But I want you to understand, steel is different with stainless steel. Stainless steel in Malay called keluli bergavani, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, stainless steel. Stainless steel is not a steel. Steel is steel. Stainless steel is stainless steel. The difference is, steel, right, that will attract by magnet. Dia akan ditarik oleh magnet punya. Stainless steel tak akan tarik dengan magnet. Stainless steel normally like jam tangan, behind here is a stainless steel. It's a stainless steel. So magnet tak tarik punya. Let me take a magnet. Okay, this is a magnet. You see, this is you can get from Daiso. If Daiso reopen, you can buy this. It's called an extra strong magnet. You can see magnet, they can stick each other lah. I don't know whether you can see that. Stick each other. It's extra strong magnet. But this magnet memang tak ada. Okay, you see, never. They don't have any reaction on this. Why? Stainless steel. Okay, steel is different. Understand or not? Someone asked, can magnet attract mercury? No, only these 4. No other than that. No other than that. Cannot. Okay, so I come back to this. So they only can attract these 4 things. Okay, iron, steel, cobalt, nickel. Understand? Keluli, that's why you see a lot of the time apabila kamu pergi restaurant, kalau you boleh pergi makan di sana, you look at the spoon or even the cutleries, alaupun rumah kamu, they will mention that stainless steel. Okay, but adakah ni memang stainless steel? You can test on. Okay, you can test. You take a spoon of your house, you take a magnet, you try to test on it. Kalau magnet dapat lekat dengan dia, bermakna your spoon is not a pure stainless steel. No. Dia mungkin guna stainless steel kat luar sahaja, lapisan luar. Dalam ada besi kat dalam. So why they don't want to make the whole stainless steel expensive? Stainless steel very expensive. Very expensive to do. So kalau your spoon in your house, you try to test, tak ada laser, stainless steel, expensive spoon. But of course, don't go and do stupid, take a plastic spoon. So also tak ada. Good spoon, expensive. Janganlah main. Understand or not? Use a magnet, just like that. This is a strong magnet you can buy in Daiso, 4 pieces. Why I bought this? Because my son last time used it to wear it as a earring to school. Okay, if you want, after school start, you can wear this as a earring also. Someone asked how. Okay, I show you. Two magnet, you can see. Can you see? Okay, dua magnet bulat. It's extra sound magnet. You can put here. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, my son last time used to do that when he go to school. Pengawas tanya, magnet. Okay. So you teach your son to wear. No lah, he find out himself. Okay, gaya ma. Okay. Maybe after MCO, if the class resume, I wear this to tuition. Okay. You see? Can you see? Nampak tak? Alright. Can or someone else. Stainless steel can attract electric. Electric wise, jangan tanya dulu. I don't want to touch electric first. Today I give you introduction about magnet first. Okay or not? Magnets. So first, okay, it's called iron. Second, steel. Number 2. Okay, sorry. First iron. Second, steel. Number 3, cobalt. Okay, cobalt in Malay still cobalt. Okay, still called cobalt. Okay. Oi. Mouse gila. Okay. Sorry. Okay. We still call it cobalt. What is a cobalt? This one a bit hard for me to explain because everyday life we seldom see this. And last one is called nickel. Okay. In Malay, if I'm not mistaken, also called nickel tanpa the C. If I'm not mistaken, saya tak pasti sangat dengan istilah dia. Okay, nickel actually is a material to make coin. Especially if you go and test it with 1 cent coin. Kalau you masih ada 1 cent coin is a nickel. You will find out you test with a magnet, right? Most of the coin dia tak ada rasa punya. So about 1 cent coin ada rasa. That one is a nickel. Understand? Only these 4 material in the world were attracted by the magnet, not other than that. Okay, let me see some question. So what will happen when answer phone call? What do you mean by answer phone call? Or with this answer phone call. Don't answer with this year, answer another year. Yes, magnet with the phone, right? Especially your screen, right? They will affect your screen one. It will affect your screen. Not good one. Okay, someone asked if like that, how to answer phone call. No, answer with this year. I didn't wear. See? Tada. Okay, so magnet basically is just able to attract these 4 things. But magnet story not end yet. Not end yet. Okay, more story to come. More story to come about behavior of magnet. Maksudnya adalah, when you try nothing betul, you korek bawah tanah, you jumpa ini, magnet. Kalau kamu nama ataupun anggap dia magnet, okay, if you name it as a magnet, you namakan dia magnet. So this thing, right, mesti memenuhi 5 syarat yang penting. I mean, if you want to become magnet, let's say, sir, I'm a magnet man. Sir, I'm a new superhero magnet man. If you want to call yourself as a magnet man, can. But you have to make sure you must fulfill. Kamu mesti memenuhi 5 syarat. There are 5 things you must have to become a magnet. Understand or not? Not only able to attract things, not only that, more than that. Understand or not? More than that. Magneto. Yes, Magneto is a magnet man. Yes, Magneto. Yes, Magneto can become a magnet man. Must have 5 things first. They only can become a magnet man. Otherwise, you cannot call a magnet man. You know what I'm trying to say? So what's the 5 things? Of course, I will teach you next week. Today, not enough time already. So next week, kalau ada nota ni, baiklah. Okay, if you can bring the notes. Another thing is next week, I need to use a hand. Right hand. Okay, right hand to find something. What is that? I will teach you next week. Right hand. Left hand, tak payah. Right hand. Understand or not? Use the right hand only. Left hand can keep at home. You're at home already. Keep in the pocket. I want right hand only. To show you something.